ಇದಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹಿಂಗೆ పెట్టేసి So good afternoon everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe by the Almighty's grace. Okay, let us continue with sequential series NCRT problems, exemplar problem. These NCRT and NCRT exemplar problems are most important. Chances are very high these bits only may come. So that's why we discuss NCRT from this material. Page number 272. Page 272. Okay. So first one, first bit. In a GP of positive elements, in a GP of positive elements, if any element is equal to the sum of next two elements, then the common ratio, is equal to dash. First one, sin 18, second one 2 cos 18, cos 18, 2 sin 18. Okay, so have a look here. What he says that in a GP positive elements, in the GP of positive elements, if any element is equal to sum of the next two elements, for example Tn, sum of the next two elements are nothing but Tn plus 1, Tn plus 2. This is the information is given. So any element is equal to sum of the next two elements is nothing but a mathematical equation we can write like this. So since it is in GP, therefore Tn, what is the GP? What is the Tn formula is GP? A into r power n minus 1 is equal to A into r power n, A into r power n plus 1. I hope you understood. Okay, what is the formula? A into r power n minus 1. Here n is nothing but n only, here n is nothing but n plus 1 to be taken, here n is nothing but n plus 2 to be taken. This is the information. Here A gets cancelled. Now we have r power n by r, here r power n, and here r power n into r. Even r power n also gets cancelled. We have 1 by r is equal to here 1 plus r. So therefore 1 is equal to r plus r square. Therefore r square plus r minus 1 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation, if you solve it by applying minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is minus 1 plus or minus root of b square is nothing but 1 plus 4 by 2, that is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So this is nothing but, can I take root 5 minus 1 by 2? This can be written as root 5 minus 1 by 4 into 2. This is nothing but this value, it is equal to sin 18. So answer is 2 sin 18 is the answer. Fourth option. Fourth option. Okay. Next. Next bit, second one, the second bit, if next if x comma y comma z are positive integers, then the value of expression x plus y, y plus z, z plus x. First option x y z 8, x y z, x y z, x y z. So x, y, z are the positive integers, then what would be the value? So for example, if positive integers are nothing but x is equal to y is equal to z, if I take least one is 1, then automatically this value will be 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So therefore the same x is equal to y is equal to z, if you substitute here, it may be the correct, but least positive integer 1 we substituted. Above, if we get more than 1, if I substitute it, then you will get more than 8 or not. So answer is, this value is greater than this. Second option is the correct answer. So least value, this is the least. Therefore, this is the final. Second bit is the answer. By substituting x is equal to put x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1, then you will get the answer. Okay. Now, second bit also over. Next bit, third one. In an AP, the pth elements element is q and p plus qth element is 0, then find qth element is dash. See, first options minus p, p plus q, p minus q. Okay. If pth element is q, is nothing but can we write since it is an AP, a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to q. P plus qth element is 0, means a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Okay. Now, what is the qth element is asking? Qth element. Okay. Let us do one thing. So, I am subtracting 1 under 1. Then we have p minus 1 minus p minus q plus 1 into d is equal to q. Gets cancelled, gets cancelled. Therefore, what we have here, minus qd is equal to q. So, d is equal to minus 1, d is equal to minus 1. So, we want qth element. So, if you substitute d is equal to minus 1, then we will get a value also. Therefore, qth element is so if you substitute, put d is equal to minus 1 in a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to q. So, a plus p minus 1 into d is nothing but minus 1 is equal to q. So, therefore, a minus p plus 1 is equal to q. Therefore, a is equal to p plus q minus 1. Therefore, tq is equal to a plus q minus 1 into d. A value is nothing but p plus q minus 1 and q minus 1, d is nothing but minus 1. So, this is nothing but p plus q minus 1 minus q plus 1. So, now gets cancelled, your answer is p. P is the answer. Next, fourth one. The 10th common term between the series. The 10th common term between the series. Between the series 3 plus 7 plus 11 and so on, 1 plus 6 plus 11 and so on, is dash. First one is 191, 193, 211, none of these. None of these. What he says, the 10th common term. So 10th common term is nothing but, so here if you observe both the series, the common term is 11 or not? Like that common term is 11. So what is the next and what is the next? We want to check it out. Here common difference we don't know. We do one thing. So 10th common term is nothing but here difference we don't know. That's why we do one thing. Here what is the difference of this first term? The common difference is nothing but 4. Here common difference d1 and d2 is nothing but 5. What is the LCM of these two? 20. So therefore the common difference is nothing but D. Therefore here A is equal to 11 to be taken. So therefore D is equal to 20 to be taken. Here asking for 10th common term. So T10 is equal to how much? A plus 9D. A is nothing but 11 to be taken. 9 into D is nothing but 20 to be taken. 180, 191 is the answer. Next, sixth one, the minimum value of 3 power x 3 power 1 minus x, where x belongs to R. So minimum value is asking. First one 0, third one 3, fourth one 2 root 3. See the minimum value. Here two methods we can go. First method, so here I am taking two terms, 3 power x and 3 power 1 minus x. So geometric mean and arithmetic mean. So we know the comparison between geometric mean and arithmetic mean. We know the total comparison is this is geometric mean is always bigger and harmonic mean is always we can consider smaller. That is approximately equal to. So with respect to this comparison we can go. So what is the geometric mean of these two? 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x by 2. A plus b by 2 is geometric mean. A plus b by 2 is arithmetic mean. Root of AB. Here let me write the formula first, you can understand better. A plus b by 2, it is nothing but root of AB. So therefore 3 power x 3 power 1 minus x by 2 and root of 3 power x 1 minus x. So therefore this expression we have here. So that's why we have taken this 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x greater than or equal to, this is nothing but root 3. Now 3 power x 1 minus x greater than or equal to 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 is the least. 2 root 3 is the least. That is the minimum value of 3 plus 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x. If you don't get this idea, another method, second method. Second method is maximum minimum problems. If you remember how to do the maximum minimum value in applications of derivatives we have done. So first let us take this function is 3 power x. In this way we have taken first f dash x to be taken. F dash x is equal to 3 power x into log 3 and 3 power 1 minus x into log 3 into minus. This is your f dash x. Okay, for the function f is max or min, f dash x must should be equal to 0. Do you remember the method? The same method. F dash x is this 3 power x log 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 3 power x log 3 is equal to gets cancelled. Therefore 3 power x is equal to 3 by 3 power x. So now it can be written as 3 power x 2x 3. Therefore 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to half. This x value if you substitute in this function, that will be the minimum value. So therefore f of half is nothing but root 3 and root 3. 2 root 3 is the answer. Same. So second method also we can do. This second method depends upon finding the maximum value, minimum value by using the applications of derivatives method. It is like this is straight method. Okay, I hope you understood. Next. Next, same minimum value. Of 4 power x same thing. So earlier one 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x, the minimum value is 2 root 3. 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x, the minimum value is 2 root 4, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. Okay. Next, here x 12th sum, x comma 2y comma 3z are in AP, where the distinct numbers x, y, z are in GP, then common ratio r is equal to dash. First one 3, 1 by 3, these are the terms. What he says that x plus 2y plus 3z are in AP. So, if any 3 terms are in AP, can we write 2y is equal to x plus 3z by 2? We can write middle term is equal to first plus last by 2. So, therefore, 4y is equal to x plus 3z equation we have got. Okay? Good. Now, these 3 terms are in GP. Means your first term I am taking x, your y is equal to xr and z is equal to zr. R x r square you take. Can I take the, since these x comma y comma z are in GP, then x is equal to x, y is equal to xr, z is equal to xr square. So, all these 3 things you substitute here, you will get r value 4 into. So, these substitute here 4 into y is equal to xr x plus 3 xr square, that is 4xr. Now, here x if you take common 1 plus 3r square, therefore 4r is equal to 1 plus 3r square. So, we go with the options. First option 3 if you substitute it, 4 3s are 12, and here 3 if you substitute it, 9 3s are 27, it is not satisfying. I go to fourth option. If you substitute r value is 1 by 2, it becomes 2, 1 plus, it is also not satisfying. If you go to 1/3, 4 by 3, 1 plus, so 3, it is nothing but 1 by 3. satisfying. So therefore 4 by 3 is equal to by taking LCM. So R value. Second option is the correct answer. Even this is also wrong answer. Through options we went. After this, after we have got through options. Through options we have got. Okay, so I didn't factorize this. After this by substituting method I went. So I didn't factorize it. Therefore R value I substituted 3 not satisfying. After that 2 substituted not satisfying 1 by 2. So anyhow out of 4 3 are not satisfying. So last one will be the answer. So left one will be the answer. I hope you understood. Okay, I hope you understood. Please note down. Next, thirteenth one. If 9 times the ninth element, if 9 times the ninth element is equal to 13 times the 13th element, then find the 22nd term. Then find the 22nd term. This is the question. First option 0, second option 22, third option 220, fourth option 198. Okay, the simple thing, 9 into, since the series is in AP or GP, 9 terms in AP has given. AP is nothing but 9th term. AP is A plus 8D, 13th into A plus 12D. Done. Now 9A, 72D, 13A, 156D. 13 12s are 156. Now take these two terms this side. Then we have 13 minus 9A is 4A. It is 156 minus 72. So that is nothing but this is 4. 15 minus 7 is 84D. Wow! It can be written as, if you divide by 4, then we have A plus 21D. Above we have got, this is nothing but T 22nd term is 0. First option is correct answer. So this is A plus 21D is nothing but 20.